As you would expect, it's not possible for us to get through this discussion without addressing the elephant in the White House. How does the announcements made yesterday of increased tariffs on up to 10% on Jamaica's exports into the US and the implications of the range of tariffs that were introduced, which has started to affect the US economy already, will have implications for the global economy, will therefore have implications for Jamaica's economy. You must have been thinking about in the last 24 hours how that is going to affect the budget numbers that you just promulgated. What are your initial thoughts on that? How is it going to affect us, and what is the backup plan?
Well, Damon, as you know, and as you've said, increase in tariffs, which really are increasing in taxes, will have the effect of raising prices. So our goods, when they go to the U.S., they're going to cost more to U.S. Businesses and to U.S. individuals there. Obviously, goods coming here as well will cost more, so that's good. Prices rise, you're looking at inflation, kind of general rise in inflation, but you're also looking at the counterbalancing force to that is the amount of disposable income that people have as well to spend on these goods. If your income is remaining the same and the goods, the price is going up, chances are you'll start to buy a little bit less of that good. So the initial impact will be, just a rise in prices. How much that will be, I don't really know yet because you have countervailing forces against that. But as I've said before, we do have a central bank with a policy mandate for inflation targeting in the core inflation in the 4 to 6% range. I know that the Bank of Jamaica is very vigilant when it comes on to inflation. Unfortunately, that would mean, interest rates be rising because that's the primary tool that's used. So maybe as a second effect, once they begin to see what the level of inflation is, and they think about, how this is going to keep translating in the economy, then that is when they may move. I'm not predicting. I have no business talking about inflation and the direction of it. It's the policy mandate of the Bank of Jamaica, but just thinking through logically how things may play out, that's how I see they could play out.